This is a geometrical model of the Sigiri mountain. I have recognized the Sigiri actually represents an ancient flying craft. In order to identify the aerodynamical effects of those unique geometrical shapes, I built this prototype. After I built the prototype, I have done many experiments and they all are successful. Also, I found the gravity center over here. After that, when I look at the satellite image of the Sigiri, I found very interesting geometrical shapes. They are located over here. I recognize those square shaped constructions actually represents a place to attach with special mechanism to lift the entire platform in order to balance the Sigiri on its own gravity center. Therefore, I recognize those square-shaped geometrical constructions also represents the gravity center of the Sigiri. That is very interesting to find the gravity center of the Sigiri exactly the place I found gravity center on my design. Also, the kind of gravity defining specially required in constructions of aircrafts and spaceships rather than building constructions on the ground. In my design, the model was represented more heavier exactly over this area. Therefore, I had a challenge to balance my prototype on its own gravitational center. I thought if I cut the V shape over here to turn the airflow downward, and then I will be able to produce thrust force at this corner, and then I will be able to lift up the entire prototype or my model, balancing on its own gravity center. Before I cut the geometrical shape, I investigate the image of the Sigiri, and then I found very interesting V-shaped geometrical shape on the Sigiri mountain. Actually, I was wondered because I realized the engineers who constructed the Sigiri also have experienced the same strategy that I am facing at the moment. Therefore, I realize the engineers who build the Sigiri have considered the Sigiri mountain as a flying ship and constructed those very unique and extraordinary geometrical shapes in order to produce the thrust force, because they were building flying ship rather than constructing a palace on Sigiri mountain. My name is Nishanta Mahesh Kumar. I am freelance system developer. I work in www.freelance.com. Thanks for watching. Best wishes.